y'all, it's Mish, and I am going to do an unboxing of the Dyson Dyson Supersonic Professional Blow Dryer. It came out a while ago. We're a little late to the party. Y'all might have seen another unboxing, but I'm gonna do another one anyway. So so far, the reason why I wanted to try this is because we are a silk press studio and we do nothing but silk presses, and the blow dryers tend to be really loud, especially with the music playing and then us trying to do consultations and talk to our clients. So I bought one because the reviews were like so all over the place that I wanted to buy one, test it out, see what it's like before I roll it out to the entire salon. So let's see what we got. I first had a when they first came out, I was taking a class. What was I taking? What class was this? Oh, Vidal Sassoon in LA, and one of the stylists, this is a few years ago, and one of the stylists bought it, and I thought it was cool, but I was like, I'm not buying into it for that price point. So, but let's see what we got, and I'll be back at another video to tell y'all what it's like. Okay, all right. So it came in like 2 boxes. This box here, and then another box. And we bought this particular one from Salon Centric, because Salon Centric for professional stylists, if y'all professionals, they are carrying it. So we bought it from there. So here it is. It is actually, the box is kind of heavy. I'm hoping that the dryer itself is not heavy. So here it is. This is the dryer itself, and it's pretty cool. It actually doesn't feel heavy. It's in like this little thing here that it's satin, so that's that. The dryer itself doesn't feel heavy. I'm gonna pull out some stuff because it's like encased in here, so I can't take it out. So I'm gonna take the accessories out first. So it comes with quite a few accessories or attachments, not accessories. And let's see. I don't know what this is. So having some technical difficulty. Okay, here it is. So this, so this is, it's an extra filter. So on here, it tells you to clean filter to regularly maintain performance. It says that right on here, so it does have a filter. Like all blow dryers have a filter, and technically you should be cleaning them, but yeah. If I see mine, I clean it, which is probably not good at all. But this one, obviously, you have to clean it because they send you an extra one for a reason. So we gonna make sure, put that in the calendar. And our lovely salon coordinator, who's sitting over here, by the way, she's gonna help us keep track of this. So okay.
I will.
All right. So let's look at the rest of the box. So here is the attachments. Attachments come in here. And the picture on the attachment says all of these things. I don't know if all these things are in this little box. This looks like the diffuser, not the diffuser, the concentrator. Then this is a diffuser. So it may be, I guess it's only 2. It's just showing you a side view and then a front view. So let's see what we got. I was hoping it came with a comb too, but I guess I gotta purchase that separately, which is fine. I'll just go on Dyson if we like it and purchase a comb. And the reason why the comb is good is because we do sometimes shampoo blow dries, and for the shampoo blow dry, we don't have to get the hair straight. You just need to stretch it out as much as possible. So we do use a comb for that. But so I'll just, if we like it, then I'll go and get the comb. So okay, so here is the concentrator. And then here is the diffuser, which honestly for us, we didn't need this, but it's cool. We'll figure out a way to use it because this was definitely a investment. So we're gonna use the whole thing. All right, so now the plug piece is in this box, as you can see. And I feel like this is what's making, the plug is heavy. This is a little heavy to me, but I don't know. I'm sitting down with it. We'll see. We'll see so far, but it does feel, I don't know. It feels lighter than heavier, a little heavier, and it could be because this is not plugged in, so I'm kind of like, you know, handling it weird. But our H2 Pro we use is pretty lightweight, and so this seems a little heavier than that. But we shall see. So, oh yeah, there's a lot of little components to this. All right, so let's see. Good child, they got this thing in here, honey. All right, so I'm just creating more and more boxes. I need all these boxes, so many boxes. Okay, so it's a little power pack here, and then the blow dryer here. Cool. The cord is super long for professional use. Obviously, we need, because we circle around a chair, we need like a lot of cord room, and this is definitely giving a bunch of cord space. You can see this is probably I don't know what my span is, but it's pretty, like it double. Oh yeah, it more. This is long. Yeah, we're not gonna have a problem with this right here. So let's see what else comes in the box. Oh, I was talking crap, and guess what comes in the box? More attachments, and this is another concentrator. It looks like, I don't know what this piece is. I don't know what this is. But there is a comb in there. So yes, let's see. Let's see, and then I'm gonna put the attachment on. Oh, is this the? What's this? I don't know what this is. Oh, it's another attachment. What does this attachment do? All right, I guess that's why you gotta read directions. I'm gonna read directions, but it's magnetic, so it just clips on like that. I like that. I love it. And then, oh, and this is the smoother. So this is what you use to smooth down flyaways. We're gonna love this. This is gonna be my best friend right here. And then, okay, right, the comb. Yes. So this is a comb, and we'll use this for shampoo and blow dries. It's a pretty long comb, which is good because we have texture hair clients. Of course, all our clients have curly hair girls, and so we needed something that's kind of long to get in there to the roots and really stretch that hair. And I feel like this comb will do it. And the blow dryer itself is not bad. It has some weight to it, but it's not that bad. It's, you know, I feel like it's not too heavy. Handling it feels okay, feels natural. This is me brushing, y'all. This is me. Yeah. Anyway, so it doesn't feel. It feels like it's pretty natural feeling to use, and yep, that's it. So let me look in the directions and see. Mind you, this is, I'm not gonna be trying this out. I'm actually gonna have our salon manager, she's gonna try it out first to see how she likes it. And then we're gonna go from there. So look, okay, so it gives you the instructions on cleaning the filter. These are the instructions. It's really serious. So we get as a team, we will do on a weekly or bi-weekly basis. We'll have a team cleaning of the filters. Hi, I'm doing an unboxing. You wanna be in the video? It's okay. You wanna be in the video? Okay. So I'm not on live, but
oh.
Yeah. Okay, so let's see what that attachment was. If you sit there, you're gonna be in the video, Chelsea. Okay. All right. So I'm looking, and it does not tell me what that other piece is. Okay. So maybe. Oh, here is the user manual, and I'm on my phone, so I cannot look at what that's. Oh, read it as fundamental. There is the attachment sheet. So it's a gentle air attachment, so easily diffuses and smooths. Airflow, and oh wait, no, that's the wrong one. Oh, here it is. So this one is a gentle air attachment, and it stimulates natural drying to help reduce frizz and define curls, coils. No, this is, I'm all jacked up. Okay, so this is a gentle air attachment. It evenly diffuses and smooths airflow, so it's gentle on the scalp. So I guess would be a more lighter diffuser if you have your curls and you want them to stay in place and you don't want to dry them out too fast. And then obviously you have the traditional diffuser that looks similar to your regular blow dry diffuser that you use for your curls and coils, for your shampoo and goes, to keep it in place. And then this is the flyaway attachment for smooth finishes. Attracts longer hairs and flyaways using the Condada effect. I don't know what that is, but we're gonna use it. We're gonna see. We'll come back and let y'all know. And then our professional concentrator, we're gonna use the mess out of this. And then our wide tooth comb, and it helps shape and lengthen the coiled hair as it dries. So all of these attachments come with it. Like I said, super long cord. And I'm gonna come back in another video and I'm going to give a review, but I really can't give the review at first. I'm gonna use it too, but I'm gonna get the feedback from Salama and Chelsea, and she's gonna tell me her feedback. I'm gonna use it once or twice so that I can have feedback too, because I don't want to do a video and I'm doing like third person reviews. That's kind of crazy. So yeah, so this is it. This is the Dyson Supersonic dryer. Let's see if it's worth the entire $400 that it costs. Okay, all right y'all, so the next video.